So this is one of my favorite go-to pasta recipes and it's super easy. First, let's cook some onions. Then we add some garlic. Give it a good fry before adding in your mincemeat. You can use any meat you like, pork, beef or chicken. Here I'm using pork. Remember to break it down so they don't clump up and they cook evenly. Once meat juices pretty much evaporate, it's time to add in the aromatics. Here I'm using mixed herbs, freshly ground black pepper, and some chili flakes because I like some kick in my sauce. Stir them up a bit before adding the eggplants and mix them thoroughly so it can absorb all the flavors. Now this is optional, but to add more bite, I'm adding white shimiji mushrooms, but you can use any other mushrooms you like. Then add some salt to taste. Always remember to taste as you go. Now we cook down the mushrooms before adding our tomatoes. I prefer canned peeled tomatoes, but if you have others, it's cool too. So here I'm breaking them down into smaller pieces and I'm adding pasta water to help thicken the sauce. Once it starts to thicken, lower down the heat, bring to a simmer until eggplants are translucent. Now let's assemble our pasta. Scoop a generous amount of the sauce over your pasta and sprinkle some cheese. Here I'm using cheddar because I ran out of Parmesan. And since I have fresh basil growing up from my mini garden, I'm adding it for that extra oomph. So there you have it, my eggplant bolognese.